Hi, buddies. It is good to see you again in this class. Today, we are going to learn a new concept in mathematics. Kids, surely you will enjoy this class. Listen carefully and say the numbers along with me, kids. Yes, cuties, take Wonder World of Mathematics book. Turn to page number 15. Yes, cuties, see your tens and ones. There are 15 flowers. Now let us make a group of tens. That is 10 flowers in a group. There is one group of tens. It means there is one group of 10 flowers. There are also 5 flowers without any group, or in other words, they are 1 tens and 5 ones. That is 1 tens and 5 ones. Okay, children. Now same way we are going to do this. This is a tens and ones. They have bundled tens in one group. Remaining, how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That 5 is ones. They have mentioned it here. Ring a set of tens. Write the numerals here. Before that, I am going to show you some objects. Okay, children? Now, be ready with your pencil. Yes, children, I have some crayons here. I am going to bundle a tens, 1 tens in one bundle. Shall we count the crayons now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 1 tens. Now take a rubber band like this. Put one circle. Again one more. This is 10. And how many remaining? 2 is here. 1, 2. 2 ones. Okay. One bundle is 10. How many bundles you have? Only one bundle. So you should write 1 tens and 2 ones. Okay, children? How many tens? 1 tens and 2 ones. Okay? Same way, we are going to count the chalk now. Okay, children? Count the chalk piece. Shall we count the chalk piece now, children? Yes. Count the chalk piece now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we are going to put the bundle. You should put bundles now. Once and again 1, 2. Okay. Now 1 ten is ready. Remaining 1, 2, 3. How we should write? How many tens here? Only 1 tens here. And how many ones are there? Count again. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 ones. Very good, children. Again, I have one more thing. Shall we count the pencils now? Yes. These are, count the pencil, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We are going to put the bundles now. Okay, children? 10 in one bunch. Okay? Remaining pencils, you are going to count, children. Count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are remaining here? 7 pencils. These are sharpened pencils. Okay? Now you are going to tell how many tens are here. How many tens? Only one tens. Okay. One tens and 7 ones. 7 pencils are here. 7 ones. Okay, children. Same way we are going to count one more thing. Yes. Now take your nails. Some nails are here. Shall we count these nails? It is a sharp thing. Don't play with the nails, okay, children? I have nails to count. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now I am going to put a bundle here. Same way, you should also do this at home. Put a bundle like this. Yes. One more. Yes. Remaining nails are how many? Just we can count this one. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same way you are going to write the answer in this paper. How many tens? Only 1 tens. How many ones are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 ones. Yes, cuties. Now you are all going to take page number 15 in your term book. Take your book now. Now you are ready to count this ones. Okay, children? Yes, count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay? 10. You should circle like this. And how many ones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you are going to write the answer. How many tens? Only 1 ten. How many ones are here? 6 ones. Okay. Same way you are going to do this apple as well as the bag by yourself, children. This is your homework. Now turn to page number 16. Now children, listen. Numbers 21 to 30. We are going to learn 21 to 30. Already you have learned in LKG class, isn't it? Yes or no, children? Yes. Just once we are going to recap this. Okay. Now 2 tens and 1 ones are 21. 2 tens and 2 ones are 22. 2 to 22. Same way, 2 tens. How many bundles are here? 2 bundles. So, 2 tens and how many ones are here? Count, children. 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 ones. 2 tens and 3 ones are 23. Yes. You should write it here. 2 to 22. Yes. Same way you should write 2, 3, 23. Yes. Next. How many tens are here? 2 bundles. So, 2 tens. 2 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So, 2, 4, 2, 4, 24. Say and write 2, 4, 24. How many bundles are here? 2 tens. 2 tens bundles are here. So, 2 tens and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, cuties. Good. 5 ones. 2, 5, 25. You should say and write 2, 5, 25. Same way you should do this one. 2 tens. Yes, 1, 2. 2 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones are 2, 6, 26. 2, 6, 26. How many tens bundles here? 2 tens. So, 1, 2. Put 2 here. Again count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. 7 ones. So, 2, 7, 27. Say and write 2, 7, 27. Again, 2 tens. How many tens are here? 1, 2. 2 tens, and how many ones are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Yes, 8. 2, 8, 28. Write it here, 28. Same way, you are going to count it again. 1, 2. 2 tens are bundles here. So, 2. Count this one, pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Say children, 2, 9, 29. So write 29 here. Here, see here. How many tens bundles are here? 1, 2, 3. Yes. 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. 10, 20, 30. Yes or no? 1 tens for 10 and 2 tens for 20. 2 tens for 20 and 3 tens for 30. So 30, 30. Yes, cuties. Now you are going to practice this. Okay? Practice writing number 21 to 30. Just trace the number here and copy down and write it here again. Once again. Okay, children? Now we are going to take page number 18. Buddies, now watch the video. Okay?
Front, back. These are opposites. Under, over. These are opposites. Heavy, light. These are opposites. Wet, dry. These are opposites. Left, right. These are opposites. Clean, dirty. These are opposites. Young, old. These are opposites. Sour, sweet. These are opposites. Easy, difficult. These are opposites. Black, white. These are opposites. Push, pull. These are opposites. Noisy, quiet. These are opposites. Right, wrong. These are opposites. Stop, go. These are opposites. In, out. These are opposites. Beautiful, ugly. These are opposites.
Rich, poor.
These are opposites.
Strong, weak.
These are opposites.
On, off.
These are opposites.
Same, different.
These are opposites.
First, last.
These are opposites.
Love, hate.
These are opposites.
Sleep, awake.
These are opposites.
Near, far.
These are opposites.
High, low.
These are opposites.
Yes, no.
These are opposites.
Smooth, rough.
These are opposites.
Loose, tight.
These are opposites. opposites.
sick, healthy,
These are opposites.
here, there,
These are opposites.
hard, soft,
These are opposites.
sit, stand,
These are opposites.
odd, even,
These are opposites.
summer, winter,
These are opposites.
cheap, expensive,
These are opposites.
laugh, cry,
These are opposites.
Cuties, I hope you have enjoyed the video and understand the concept of comparison. Yes, Kuti, we are going to learn comparison. You already learned in the video, yes or no? You have seen the video, isn't it? In the video, you have learned some opposites like comparing the objects, yes or no? Yes. Same way we are going to do this one. Tick the flags that are near and circle the flag that are far. Which is near to you? This one or that one? This one is near. So, put the tick which is near and circle the flag which is far away. Okay, children? Now, look here. Color the soft object. Which one is soft? This leaf or this lock? Which one is soft, dear? Yes, this one is soft. You are going to color this object with green color and you are going to color this lock with yellow color. Okay, children? You are going to do this. This is your activity. Okay? Now, see here. Take the heavy object. Which one is heavy? The flower or this rocks. Which one is heavy? Yes, the rocks are heavy. So, you are going to tick the heavy object and circle the light object. Okay? Same way, color the thick object and in red color and the thin object in blue color. Which one is thick and which one is thin? This one is thick. So you are going to color this with red color. And this one is thin. You are going to color this with blue color. Okay, children? And we are moving to next page, number 19. Number numerals from 31 to 50. Look here, children. You should say and write 3 tens and 1 ones or 3 1 31. First you should trace this number 3 1 31. 3 tens and 1 ones is 31. You should say like this and write 3 tens and 2 ones are 32. Yes, same way. 3 tens and 3 ones are 33. Same way, you are going to say and write this one and this one. This is your homework, children. Parents, please guide the child to finish this homework. Okay? Hope you have enjoyed it and learnt well. Stay safe. Bye bye, kids.